Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa, and jumping right into the video, I'm going to be doing my thumb using the Notpolish clear like I just showed you guys. This is a Beetles brush. They do not sell this one anymore, sadly, and I'm using acrylic creamery monomer. And yes, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And yes, so today I'm going to be testing out the Notpolish 5-in-1 Chameleon acrylics. These cause a little bit of a stir with the mystery boxes and all that. So I wanted to go ahead and test it out to see all the different ways you could use it, like how it's meant to be used. And yes, this clear worked wonderfully, you guys. Yes, I was very interested in how to use this in different ways because when I first tried it, it was not it. It just didn't work well for me for some reason. So here it is. The C is the Chrome collection. This is actually sold out on their website. All of them are, by the way. So here I am using the first method, and all I did was mix it with the clear while I picked it up on my brush, and I kind of blended it together, and that worked much better than just dipping it straight into the acrylic, you guys. Don't just dip it straight into the acrylic. Don't dip your brush straight into the glitter as if it's its own acrylic. It's not. It's just pure glitter, and it just does not work well that way. So do the clear and then the acrylic, and then the next nail I think will be just nude. Here is the nude nails. This is Birthday Soup from Balm Nails. I just showed you guys in my previous haul, and you guys, I fall in love with this color all over again. And I quickly realized I only have like pinky nudes in my collection. So if you guys know of any like tan nudes, let me know. Like, I'm looking for more brownie tones, tan tones. I will most definitely try them out. If you have any acrylics you guys recommend or anything like that, or anything you guys like to see. I know for a long time I was just buying like beginner kits and testing them out. So I will most definitely be back doing that next year. So yes, I'm very excited for January. My shorts videos have been doing pretty well. I only have 2 so far. And yes, thank you guys for watching and liking, subscribing, supporting. Very kind of you all. And I can't wait to see what we do next year. And you guys, my application has gotten so much better. Y'all, they moved me back to the garage. I was living my best life in the house with everybody, but they very quickly put my stuff in that garage, y'all, when they found some space. And so, yeah, I was out there in the cold. So I'm very surprised the acrylic was working as well as it did. It was like perfect. I haven't done nails in quite a while, due to the fact that I was busy, but yeah. Back in the garage now, and I have already recorded another video. And yes, this test was very interesting to say the least. So yes, this is from Balm Nails, by the way, and she's having a 40% off sale, I believe, so go ahead and check her out. This video was meant to be up a little bit earlier today, but a lot happened where I couldn't do the voiceover. But yes, you guys are going to be very, I don't know, shocked by these test results because I kind of expected a little bit more. I will say that. But yes, let me know if you guys like these videos of me testing out products and things like that. The silicone mat underneath is from Get Nailed 32. It's the little beginner's practice mat. And the pink thing that I have in the background is just a dental bib. It's just really for like video purposes. Like it kind of doesn't really do anything, and like if you're cleaning up, it makes it a little bit easier to clean the dust off. But my next finger will be clear, so you guys are going to see what I'm planning on doing as far as the tests in a little bit. After I'm done with the pinky, I'll go ahead and explain a little bit more. Look how beautifully this nail laid, you guys. It was just fantastic. These Notpolish powders are amazing. Like, I know everybody says that they're amazing, but they really are. I believe they are worth the price, and they always have a discount code, so I recommend using it. The Acrylic Creamery monomer is amazing. Like, literally, that's like one of the only monomers I use now. I also recommend the JC Beauty Concepts. It's like a perfect in between like monomer also, and it doesn't stink too much. So yes, sorry I'm a bit out of frame. Like I said, they moved me back to the garage, so I'm not completely set up the way I used to. So this was a little bit difficult for me to edit due to the fact of I was out of frame, like a lot. Like my hand was just a little bit too high up because I was over compensating from my hand being pulled like too close to me, because that's how I usually record, is with my hand like all the way in my face, and like close to my chest. And that's the only way that I can like make sure I was in the camera. And now I've been pushing myself back up because, as you can see, my shirt is in the frame now. And I'm using the Temi Taylor Peel and Stick. It's been forever since I've used this. By the way, if you're wondering what's stuck to the back, it's paper towel and monomer. It kind of fused itself back to the back of the little plastic thing. So I just use the other side now, and it works just fine. And I could really like scrape it off if I wanted to, but it's kind of been there for like, I don't know, like a year or two now. So I just leave it. I don't use this file anyone else but myself, so it's okay. And I have the little disposable things anyways, the disposable file parts, and I just replace it and like clean the little plastic part off as best as I can. It was very easy to file these. I pretty much only use the hand file because my phone was dying and I didn't want to take too much time up filing, and I already had to replace these nails like a couple of times due to them being very like flimsy for some reason. So the start of the test, by the way, these are the Acrylic Creamery stiletto tips. I cut them down and they made the perfect coffin, no shaping required. But I'm going to start off by painting the thumb black, and this is the Model 1's black, and I'm going to cure this for a full 60 seconds. It really cures in 30 with the lamp that I use, but I cure it for a full 60 just to make sure there is no wrinkling. Make sure you clean up the excess gel polish off your skin. And here I am with the chrome. This is the best way to do chrome, I've noticed. And yeah, it worked pretty good on the thumb. What I will say is some parts it did not stick to. On camera, it looks a million times better than it did the first day in real life. Like, I had to put these nails back on and like really look at them because I had to take pictures afterwards because my phone died. And you guys, look how good it looks in the camera. In real life, it looked like there was patches missing, and I was looking in every single possible lighting. I wanted to try it with the little silicone sponge. Did not work. I put on a no cleanse top coat, and it didn't really stick to anything. Like, it didn't really want to stick, because I know for some of the chromes you can use it with like the regular top coat. I will show you guys in literally just a second of me using it with the regular another chrome with the regular top coat. And here, like, all the glitter went everywhere. This is like the messiest process like ever. So I put on base coat. The original Madam Glam top coat will work with this as well because it cures with a tacky layer. So anything that cures with a tacky layer is amazing. So that is the way I recommend you using this chrome if you're going to use it. But just beware, it is very messy. Even with the silicone tool, it was messy. With the little sponge applicator, still very messy. I use my finger because it was the easiest, and it's easier to push everything in and really blend it out, because what you're trying to do is get inside, like you're trying to move that big glitter out of the way and push it until the actual chrome powder comes out. Here's the Born Pretty chrome that Carlita Rillis gave me, and you guys are gonna see this is just with the regular non-wipe top coat. Easy. And there it is. Like, that was it. And it looked so good. Like, I was gagged. I was like, are you serious? Like, and you can really see it in that lighting. And I'm going to try out the white just because I want to see, okay, if it works with the black, what is it going to do with the white? Spoiler alert, didn't look the best. I don't know. Like, and I'm even trying it with a little sponge. I'm trying to move it around. Like, I was trying to do everything, and it just wouldn't stick to certain areas. And I had the same issue with the clear, with the pinky. It wouldn't stick to certain areas. But with the white, it was extremely obvious where it wouldn't stick to, and it just wouldn't stick there for some reason. And again, I cured it for a full 60 seconds, or maybe I did 30 for this one just to see, but it was dry anyways. Here I am putting the base coat. Like I said, you can use the original Madam Glam top coat, the one that has a tacky like finish. Any of the ones that have a tacky finish, you can. I want to see what it looked like just over the nude period, because like as you saw with the Born Pretty one, it was good. Like, it was a look, it was really cute. And I had the same issue where in the areas where it stuck down, it looked very, very good, but it didn't stick everywhere. And you guys, I was like losing my mind. I was like, maybe I don't have enough on my finger. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like not rubbing it in good. Like, I stuck my finger all the way down to the bottom just to, honestly, being dramatic, because I was like, there's no way, this has to cover this nail like fully, because why wouldn't it work in some areas? And I know I put that top coat everywhere, but like that patch was huge, and I was like, okay, maybe if I rub my finger across it, more will come off and it'll just peel off, because maybe I did it wrong, like with the base. But that did not happen. It did not happen. It just is a very like patchy product. But here is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed me testing this out. Let me know which finger was your favorite. Let me know what I could have done differently. Just let me know how to use this product properly if I used it wrong. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.